Essential car maintenance tips for optimal performance. Your car isn't just a means of transportation. It's an investment, a trusted companion that keeps you moving. To ensure it runs smoothly, efficiently, and reliably, proper maintenance is essential. Whether you're a seasoned driver or new to the road, mastering the art of car care can save you money, prevent breakdowns, and extend the life of your vehicle. Welcome to our ultimate guide on how to maintain your car for optimal performance. 1. Regular oil changes. Oil is often called the lifeblood of your engine. It reduces friction between moving parts, prevents overheating, and helps to keep the engine clean. Over time, oil breaks down and becomes contaminated with dirt, debris, and combustion byproducts, which diminishes its effectiveness. Neglecting oil changes can lead to increased engine wear, reduced fuel efficiency, and even engine failure. Follow the manufacturer's recommended oil change intervals, which typically range from every 3,000 to 5,000 miles, but modern vehicles may go longer between changes. 2. Maintain the cooling system. The cooling system regulates your engine's temperature, preventing it from overheating or running too cold. It consists of coolant, radiator, thermostat, and hoses. A properly functioning cooling system is crucial for engine longevity and performance. Check the coolant level regularly, ideally once a month. 3. Tire care and maintenance. Tires are the only contact point between your vehicle and the road. Proper tire maintenance enhances safety, handling, and fuel economy. Underinflated or overinflated tires can lead to uneven wear, poor handling, and increased risk of blowouts. Check tire pressure at least once a month and before long trips, using a reliable pressure gauge. Inflate tires to the recommended size listed in your owner's manual or on the driver's side door jamb. Rotate tires every 5,000 to 7,500 miles to promote even tread wear. Regular wheel alignment and balancing help prevent uneven tire wear and improve steering response. 4. Brake system inspection. Brakes are your vehicle's most critical safety feature. Worn or malfunctioning brakes can lead to accidents. Regular inspection and maintenance ensure that your braking system performs effectively when needed. Listen for squealing, grinding noises, or a soft brake pedal, which can indicate worn brake pads or other issues. Check brake pads and rotors regularly. Replace pads before they are completely worn out to prevent damage to rotors. Brake fluid should be checked monthly. It can absorb moisture over time, reducing braking performance. 5. Battery maintenance. Your vehicle's battery supplies the electrical power needed to start the engine and operate electronic systems. A weak or corroded battery can leave you stranded unexpectedly. Inspect the battery terminals for corrosion, white or greenish deposits, and clean them with a mixture of baking soda and water if needed. Check the battery's voltage with a multimeter, especially before winter, when cold weather can reduce battery capacity. Replace the battery approximately every 3-5 years, or sooner if it shows signs of weakness, such as slow engine cranking or dim lights. Keeping the battery clean and in good condition ensures reliable starts and prevents breakdowns, especially during extreme weather. 6. Air and cabin filters. Air filters prevent dirt and debris from entering the engine, while cabin filters keep the air inside your vehicle clean. Dirty filters reduce performance, fuel economy, and comfort. Replace the engine air filter every 15 to 30,000 miles, or more frequently if you drive in dusty conditions. A clogged air filter restricts airflow, causing your engine to work harder and reducing fuel efficiency. Cabin filters should be replaced as needed, typically every 15,000 to 20,000 miles, to ensure clean air inside the vehicle and maintain HVAC system efficiency. Regular filter changes help your engine breathe easier and keep the cabin environment fresh. 7. Routine inspections. Regular inspections by a qualified mechanic can identify potential problems before they become serious. This proactive approach extends your vehicle's lifespan and maintains performance. Schedule routine inspections for belts, hoses, exhaust systems, suspension, and steering components. Look for signs of wear, leaks, cracks, or corrosion. Early detection of issues like worn belts or leaking hoses can prevent breakdowns and costly repairs. A professional inspection also ensures that vital components are functioning correctly, which enhances safety and keeps your vehicle running efficiently. 8. Smart driving habits. How you drive has a significant impact on your vehicle's health. Smooth driving habits reduce stress on components and improve fuel economy. Accelerate gradually and avoid harsh braking or rapid acceleration. Use cruise control on highways to maintain a steady speed, reducing engine strain. Avoid aggressive driving behaviors like sharp turns and rapid lane changes. Planning trips to combine errands minimizes unnecessary driving, reducing wear and tear. Gentle driving habits help preserve brake pads, tires, and engine components, saving money and extending your vehicle's lifespan. 9. Emergency preparedness. Unexpected situations can happen at any time. Being prepared ensures you can handle emergencies safely and efficiently. Keep an emergency kit in your vehicle, including jumper cables, a flashlight, basic tools, first aid supplies, and non-perishable snacks. Regularly check that your spare tire is in good condition, along with the jack and lug wrench. Having these items ready can help you handle flat tires, dead batteries, or other roadside issues without panic. Proper preparedness minimizes stress and helps you get back on the road quickly and safely. 10. Follow manufacturer recommendations. Every vehicle is different. Understanding your car's specific requirements and following the manufacturer's guidelines is key to long-term performance. Consult your owner's manual for maintenance schedules, recommended fluids, and special care instructions. Stay informed about recalls or service bulletins that may affect your vehicle. Using manufacturer-approved parts and fluids guarantees compatibility and optimal performance. Regularly visiting a trusted mechanic for inspections and service tailored to your vehicle's needs ensures you stay ahead of potential issues and maintain the highest performance standards. Maintaining your vehicle is about consistent care, smart driving habits, and staying informed. By following these 10 tips, you'll ensure that your car remains reliable, safe, and efficient for many miles to come. Remember, investing a little time and effort now saves you money and stress in the long run. Your car's health reflects your own. Keep it in top shape, and it will serve you well on every journey. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more car maintenance advice. Stay safe on the road and take good care of your vehicle. See you next time.